Hey guys, it's Steve with Futures and Charts. It's Friday, the 27th of February, and we're having another bump up in the market today. This Iran thing really has the market spooked. Uh, as on Wednesday, the EIA report came out, and we had a pretty substantial build in crude oil here in the U.S. So there's a lot of oil on the market. So if it wasn't for this Iran thing, I believe we would be heading lower. But it does have the market kind of spooled up a little bit. So we'll have a look at the chart and see how we're going to hopefully end the week to the downside here if things can turn around. Lots can happen during the day. Sometimes it has a jump up early in the morning and then comes back down, or vice versa. So um, we'll have to see how it plays out during the day. But anyway, and I don't know if people want to be short the market going into a weekend, not knowing what could happen over in Iran. So they're probably building a position, to the long side. So, um, but anyway, let's go have a look at the chart and see what it's telling us.
Okay, guys, so this is the crude oil chart here for April contracts, and as March is off the board now, so we did have a pretty big jump up this morning, and we were up to about 67.80-ish, and now we're at 66.92, still up 2.64%, and so it's like I said, I think people are just trying to position themselves going into the weekend a little on the long side, apparently, because of what could be happening with Iran. So let's have a look at the diesel chart. It's looking pretty strong as well. I mean, here's this cup with a handle and the breakout, a little bit of consolidation, and now breaking out some more again today. So we're up a little over 7 cents right now. And this is also on the April contract. So we're at about 260, and it had a run up as well, but it hasn't pulled back as much. So so that is looking like it's staying pretty strong going into the weekend. And let's look at spring wheat. This is Minneapolis spring wheat. And spring wheat, a lot of times, for some weird reason, kind of follows the crude market, and they just seem to kind of trade together. But as you can see back here, we had a high back in, where was this at? Back in June of 25, and we have basically just gone steadily downward, as unfortunately you guys know the pain, until we got down here to about, it was in October 22nd, where we finally had a little bump up and then a follow through the next day. But it is kind of, it's forming a base and it's starting to round upward. So that's obviously a good thing. We've ended this downward slope and we're forming a base, and hopefully that gets us, the wheat fundamentals are not bad. There's obviously a lot of wheat in the world, but it seems like it always finds a home. So we are creeping back up, and I would not be surprised if we, don't find a settle. Here's a little bit of a blip here at around $6, but really if we get above this psychological barrier of $6, there's really nothing holding us back until we get up to about the 655 area, these previous lows back here. So we could have a pretty decent run in wheat if that plays out. So I'm hoping for our producers' sake that's what happens. So that would be really awesome. But anyway, that's what I got for you in this one. Going into the weekend, we'll be into March and next week. So spring's getting closer, so we'll see you then. So thanks for watching Futures and Charts.